Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the KOORUI 24E4 working only at 60 Hz. If your KOORUI 24E4 works at 60 Hz, then it's most probably a fault of your Windows settings. So you'll need to go to the Settings app on your computer, because you need to go to Settings, to System in Settings, then Display. Now scroll down to Related Settings and you'll find Advanced Display. Select your 24E4 from the list at the top, and now make sure that the refresh rate is set to something higher than 60 Hz. And I can't see 165 on the list, even though I know that display supports it. I think that may be an issue with my cable, maybe HDMI doesn't support it, maybe my computer doesn't support it, but at least I can set it to 120 Hz. And if you have 165 available, then it's really great. And you may be wondering, why didn't I choose 144? And it's because I tried doing it earlier and the display just went dark and didn't really do anything. So also the 144 doesn't necessarily work in my case, but if you have 165 available, then feel free to use it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.